Tired of waiting around for your phone to charge? What if I told you there's a charger that's not just faster than Apple's MagSafe, but can fully juice up your phone in under 2 hours? iNIU Mag Pro. Meet the iNIU Mag Pro, the world's first magnetic wireless charger to dethrone Apple. With 15 watts of non-stop power, a 9F turbo cooling fan, and an 11N magnetic lock, it's more than just fast, it's a game-changer. You can charge your phone 30 minutes faster than Apple's original MagSafe charger. Plus, the magnet is so strong it can hold 5 iPhones at once. Ready to charge smarter and faster? Check out the iNIU Mag Pro. Bento Stack Power Hub. Introducing the Bento Stack Power Hub, inspired by the classic bento box, but with a tech twist. This stackable storage case comes with an 8000 mAh 3-in-1 charge cover and an 8-port USB-C hub, perfect for connecting and charging all your devices. It's got slots for your SD cards, HDMI output, and even a wireless charger. Plus, it doubles as a desk valet to keep everything organized. Ready to simplify your setup? The Bento Stack Power Hub has got you covered.